left base for 36, Hilliard.
Fred.
Are they totally blocking the lights, or am I crazy?
You're probably crazy, but I don't see the lights. There they go. Hey, look at that. We're right on the top of it.
$712.
Oh, man. I got it nice and straight. That was dumb. It's just going to blow.
Out of the way, bird. Make me nervous.
All right, high and fast. Ready for the burbles.
And
right
let's make sure we clear the trees before we drop, do anything.
Yeah.
Because they need to start cutting them back.
Great idea.
Don't get too high because you'll never make it down. Because when you stuff the nose, or when you let it drop, she'll pick up some speed.
Yes, we're high.
Hey, power back. All the way. Idle. Close it out.
Runway 1836.
Don't float too much. Hey, max power, carpet in. Max power, carpet in. Max, drop it to 10. Just to 10. There we go. You gotta get the nose up. Now drop it. Ow, park the nose. Well, maybe not. Yeah, pull it, pull. A little more. Pull. There we go. Keep pulling. You're good. Yeah, I'd probably get the car beat in on final, short final.
Yeah.
It's just
right.
one less thing you got to worry about.
How does the speed increase the more you pull up? That's weird.
It's gusty winds. It's not really anything you're doing.
Yeah, I don't think the speed is actually increasing. Good grief.
Bird.
Got him.
All right, take us home, my friend.
Okay.
Lots of adventure.